Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be covering how to promote your website for free. And we're going to be giving you 11 top tips that you can actually start implementing today to get more traffic to your website. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And the first one, number one, build an SEO strategy. Now, if you haven't got an SEO strategy, obviously you can build one from now. But also, if you've already got one, revisit it and make sure and tweak it so you're getting the optimum success out of your website. Number two is repurpose old content. Now, you could go back and you could repurpose some of your old content, like if you've got a blog post on your website, you could then create this into an Instagram reel or Instagram story or even a TikTok video or even a YouTube video. And then obviously put a link back to your website, to the existing article, driving more traffic back to your website. Number three is posting on forums. Now you can go to relevant forums to do with your particular niche, or you could go to forums such as Reddit and Quora, where there are a whole range of different topics and niches in one place. You can then answer questions, post questions, and also link back to your website. Number four is you can create free resources. Now, you can go and create things like templates, checklists, you could do video, you could even do things like ebooks, or even set up a quiz, which then in turn is going to drive people back to your website. So number five is set up a profile on Google Business. Now this is brilliant if you obviously look for customers locally as well. Now it doesn't matter whether you're offline or online, you can set up a profile on Google Businesses and then your business could come up when people are searching locally. Number six is build an email marketing strategy. Now, if you're not already building an email list, then you definitely need to be doing that for starters. And you can use products such as Aweber or GetResponse to do just that. Also, if you've already got an email list and that you're actually building, go back, restructure it, revisit it, and tweak it and make it even better, driving people again back to your website through email marketing. Okay, so we're halfway through, and if you're loving this content, obviously make sure you give us the big thumbs up. It would help us in the YouTube algorithms. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, then you'll get notified every time we make new videos. And also, drop us a line in the comments below which strategy is working best for you. It's maybe one of these ones, or it may be a different one. Let us know in the comments below. Okay, so back to the video. Number 7 in our list, guest blogging. Search out blogs that take on guest posting. And if there's something within your niche, that was even better. So you could then obviously do a guest blog post on that particular website. And again, most of them will let you link back to your website as well, or to an article on your website. Again, that is a good way of getting exposure for your website. Number 8 in our list is outreach marketing. Now, this is a really popular and be getting more popular all the time, where you can actually reach out and align yourselves with other marketers and other businesses in your niche. You can promote each other's businesses if you want. You can also get online influencers to promote your website and your products. So it's another great way of getting your website out to thousands of people quickly and easily. So number 9, and this is one that people often forget. Make sure your web address is on all of your actual materials. So in other words, your business cards, on any flyers that you do, also on your email signature. If you're sending emails to people, make sure there's a web address on the bottom of there that they could then actually click on and visit. You'd be amazed how many people will visit your website through these means. Okay, so number 10 in the list, and this is use local directories. So if you've got any local directories that are near to you, and again, you're an offline business as well as an online business, this could help you dramatically. These could be things like even Yahoo online, or even Yellow Pages, Bing, Yelp, even Foursquare. There are various different sites out there that you could just actually register and obviously put your details on there. And you'll be surprised how many people search those websites. Your name and business and website would come up. And the last one, which is what, again, lots more people are doing, and that is engage on social media. Now, this doesn't mean to say you have to spend all day on social media, but if you've got, obviously, a Facebook page, maybe an Instagram account, try and engage with your customers, post questions, get them to answer surveys. You can also do updates, you can answer questions, you can ask questions. There are loads of different things you can do. The main thing of this one, obviously, you've got to be consistent. The more consistent you are, then the more following you will get, and the more people you could drive back to your website. Okay, so that is the 11 tips that we've given you today. Hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, obviously, make sure you smash up the like button. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and if you haven't already, make sure that you actually subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.